Hello everyone and welcome to another video. This video is brought to you by forgottenloot.org, and if this is your first time to this channel, welcome and thank you so much for taking the time out of your busy day to watch these videos. Now in this video we're going to look at South Dakota and we're going to look at unclaimed property. Maybe you, a family member or friend have, or maybe or should have or could have unclaimed property out there in this state. Have you ever lived in this state? Do you have family members in this state? Maybe. I don't know, but in this video I'm going to give you a quick demonstration how to go about finding out. The only way you can find out unless you do a search through the state's database to see if you have any abandoned property. It could be a business. There's a lot of things here, but more importantly is that they're willing to give you this asset back. They're holding on to it for safekeeping and they're just waiting for you to come and claim it. So we're going to perform a search and hopefully we find some things here. I'm going to use my real name and okay, this is what they have here. They said qualified individuals have unclaimed property valuing between $10,000 to $2,000, and our department was able to verify identity and contact information. So if you can verify the information, so you can see the perception that people have. They put it in bold letters. This is not a scam, just money that belongs to you. So you know, when I heard about this also, I thought it was a scam. I thought it was a joke, but I followed what my wife said, and I used to live in New York at the time. I went there, put my name inside a box just like this, and it didn't tell me how much I have. It just basically gave me a claim number, and I waited. He told me to wait. I waited for 2 weeks, and I had a check in the mail. So from that day, I decided to build a website, which is forgottenloot.org. I'm going to show you real quick. Show you real quick what the site looks like, so you can come by and take a look. You don't really have to, but this is a site that I put together to hopefully help others to come by and get information. People who don't see the video may run into the site on Google and you can come here. The only difference on this site, you get access to download this free guide. And this guy would help. This guy would kind of give you access to all the states. You put your name, your email address here, and just grab this guide, and you have access to all the states, not just one, but all. Okay, so that's our website. I'm gonna go back to the video, and we're gonna perform the search now. So we're gonna we can click this box, or we can go down here. We're just gonna click the box here and get started. I'm going to put my real name here, so we can do last name or business name. So if you're looking up a business, you put the business name here, and you have to put the property ID. Okay, so I'm going to put the business name. I'm going to put my last name here, put my first name here, and we're going to hit search. So we can see we got some results here. So according to this result page, we have 448 unclaimed property under my exact name. My name is very common. You know that. Not exact name. There's some variations. So we had three under my name: Michael Curtis, D. Curtis, Mike Curtis, which I often use sometimes. We can see one person here. There's a couple of Billy. These addresses are, these people are no longer living at these addresses, so that's why they can't really contact them. They have nowhere. They don't know where they are. So these companies, reported by these companies, send these unclaimed property over to the estate. Property type, it talks about what it actually is. So I'm sorry, let me go over this report so you can understand what it's saying, even though it's kind of straightforward. Name, property holder. So basically this is who the property is, currently belongs to. The address, the last address they had on file, which they no longer live here because they can't really find them. The city, the state, the zip code, who reported the asset, the amounts. So the first one is $75, property ID, and what type of property is it. We know it's cash, but what was it? It says unidentified remittance. So they don't really know what it is. That's a funny word. Premium refund. So we have one here for State Farm Casualty, over $250 right here. We have some more down here. Drafts, $45. Not sure what that really is. Go down some more. We have another over $250 here. Order court deposits, $50 here. So as you can see, there's a lot of, some of them are small, $50, $20, $21, $18, $168. I mean, this could buy a McDonald's meal, like 2 McDonald's meals, 2 Happy Meals or 3 Happy Meals. This could buy you. You could buy some nice Outback dinner with this, or you can pay a bill. You could pay a phone bill. My phone bill is only $90. Go Metro PCS. How many of you guys have Metro PCS? Yeah, I have Metro PCS for a long time now. I never had a problem. The service sometimes is not that great, but hey, my bill is only $90. I think last month it was $78. So unlike them other companies where your bill is like $300, mine is always low, and I love it that way. I have 3 phones on this line, 3 phones on this one account. So you can just imagine. So here it up, we have another person here on 119, over 250, 120. So as you can see, now remember this is only a demonstration. So when you come to do your own search, you're gonna put your real name in the box up here, and if your name and the address match where you used to live, and that's all you have to do is click the claim box at the bottom, or it'll be at the top. So it'll be here too as well. I'm going to show you exactly how much it is. So I'm going to hit the claim. You're going to choose owner, estate representative, heir, or business representative. So you're going to say that you're the owner for it, or whatever you are, or how you are connected to this. Then you'll pick the correct one here. Owner. In my case, because of demonstration, I'm going to pick owner. File a claim. And we on the enter your current contact information. So wherever you are now, you're gonna put this information here. Okay. If you're overseas, it's asks here. If you're living overseas and you watch this video in another country, wherever you are in whatever country you are, you're gonna pick the right one here. So there's support of 1 to different countries here. All right. So we're in America right now, so I'm gonna select. So again, whatever is in the red has red asterisks next to it. You're gonna make those filled out. If you miss any area of the box, this will happen. So it's gonna take exactly where you need to fill out. So the areas that are in red, these are the must. These are the must areas that needs to be filled out. Okay. And you're gonna pick how did you hear about us? Let's see, website. Forgotten Loop. YouTube is not here, but you can put that. I suppose you can put that. Alright, so that's how you look up unclaimed property. We're going to do one more. We're going to go back to the home page. Let's do another name. Just going to pick a random name. Just going to put somebody. Let's put Young. Let's put Michael Young. So this property ID Sometimes they do mail outs, and they'll give you a property ID on the mail outs. And you just put the property ID here. So this property ID, I'll tell you what this is once it pulls up. They do mail outs in the papers, in different areas, different places. They may have a sign up, so stuff like that. So this is the property ID right here. So let's say you got something in the mail and it had a property ID on it. You just come here and pop it here, and just do a search, and it's gonna pull up that claim right away without even showing all the other stuff. Just pull that claim up alone. So here we go. We have some more. Over 250, over 250, 220. I mean, both of them over 250. E-Trade Corporation, E-Trade. It's the same person right here. IRA, traditional IRA securities. Next, another one over 250. It's a small one here over 17. That's small over 13 here. $100. I mean, there are a lot of individuals right now that can use, these monies, I should say. And if we can reach at least one, if we can reach 100 people, one person, let them know, hey, I just saw this video on YouTube, and I think it's you. Tell them, come watch a video so they can see for themselves, and then do the same thing, perform the same search. Come back to the YouTube channel and just make a comment. Hey, I saw your video, and thank us. Let us know. We like to hear those good stories. We have another one here, 245. I'm gonna hit next, continue. Over 250, 142. So we have a lot. Again, we're just gonna select this one here. View claim. Just gonna pick, say, estate representative. I'm gonna hit file claim, and the same process goes through. Make sure everything is filled out. Once you finish, you're gonna hit review claims. You're gonna hit next first. Review the claim. Review the information. Hit next. Claim summary, and don't forget to write down the claim ID. It's gonna give you the claim number, so make sure you write that down. Alright, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Please share our channel, and I'm really hoping that you find something, whether in your name, a friend, a family member, and you share this video with them. My goal is to help as many people as I can find unclaimed property. Again, you can visit whopping.org, and you can get access to all the other 49 states. It's free. Again, thanks for watching, and you have an awesome day. And again, share and like this video, and please subscribe to the channel. It'll help us grow so we can spread the word more. These states need help, and that's why I'm making these videos, because it did help me, and I'm trying to get information out to others. So thanks again for watching, and you have a beautiful and wonderful day. Peace out.